This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is Now here is the forecast, mainly in the morning. Highs in the mid-40s. Chance of... to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Pulaski, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under Local Information. We now return to normal programming. Radio KJY62 in LaPorte. Visit our website via weather.gov/.